Why is Andrew Tate so rich and how come he has so much money? Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And now let's talk about the top G, the king of the internet, the king of social media, Andrew Tate. If you guys spend any time on TikTok or YouTube, Instagram, chances are you ran across his videos. Personally, when I'm scrolling on TikTok, literally 2 minutes later, one of his videos pop up. He is literally all over social media. And he kind of reminds me of Tai Lopez. Remember those Tai Lopez ads when he's standing in his garage and he's like, I'm more proud of those books than that Lambo behind me. Andrew Tate is pretty much Tai Lopez 2.0 when it comes to making money on social media. A lot of people love him, a lot of people hate him, but you have to agree, his marketing is on point. The way he has played everything is to perfection, and now he's reaping the benefits of his hard work. Also guys, Andrew Tate has a ton of following. It doesn't matter if you agree with what he says, if you agree with his point of views, or if you don't. His following is insane. Also, a lot of his followers, they share the exact same beliefs, they share the exact same ideas, me included. I love some of his ideas, I love some of the things he says. He pretty much speaks his mind, but the way he does it is very blunt and unapologetic. Also, it gets to the right people that want to listen to his content. But a lot of people will tell you that that is just a character that he's portraying. That's really not how he is in real life. But in my opinion, that is 100% how he is, and that is his character. Even if you watch his videos from 5-10 years ago when he was kickboxing or when he was on reality TV shows, you can see the same characteristics. But now he's able to express them in a way that makes him a ton of money. Also, a lot of people that watch him, they try to imitate him. They think if they have the same beliefs, if they say the same stuff that he says, that somehow they're going to make a ton of money and be rich like Andrew Tate and buy a brand new Bugatti or whatever. But in reality, he puts in so much work. This whole thing that everyone is experiencing right now, his whole content, his whole ideas and all that stuff, that has been in the works probably in the last 5-10 years. This is part of his master plan. He has been working on this for who knows how long, and he has put in so much work. A lot of people think, yo, I'm gonna just imitate him and all this money and all these women and all these Bugattis are gonna come my way. But in reality, that is not what's gonna happen. Andrew Tate has put in years and years of work to get to where he is right now. It takes a lot of patience, a lot of brains, and a lot of skills to make money the way he makes money right now. Also guys, he is still working. A lot of you guys will see his videos. He's sitting in a podcast somewhere talking, smoking a cigar with no shirt on, thinking, man, he has it made. But you don't realize that he's actually creating content. He's actually working when you're watching him. When he's sitting down, smoking that cigar, just chilling, talking about random stuff, he is making content for his brand, for his sales funnel to get people sucked in. Once they sucked in, he puts them through the whole sales pitch, through the whole sales funnel, and he makes a ton of money. But don't get it twisted. He is still putting in a ton of work in order to maintain everything that he has built. Also, if you have been watching him closely over the last 3-4 months, you will see that he's doing a lot more podcasts. Just for example, the recent one with Full Send, that is an over 1 hour long podcast. And in my opinion, that is all part of his marketing. That is what he does. That is work for him. A lot of people work outside, they work in factories, they work at 9-to-5 jobs, but his work is the podcast. That is how he recruits and gets more money. So don't be surprised if he ends up on Joe Rogan's podcast or some other giant podcast. He is literally grinding right now. He has realized the opportunity that he has been presented, and he's trying to make the most of it. He's trying to make the most money. That is why he's going from podcast to podcast to podcast, reaching a bigger audience every time and making more money in the process. The top G is still putting in work as we speak. Obviously, Andrew Tate doesn't have to make another podcast in his life. He can live in Romania, drive his Bugatti, and be set for life. But as you guys know, he wants to level up higher. He wants to go to that next level. just like everyone else. Everyone wants to make more money, everyone wants to be more successful, and everyone wants to grow their wealth. So expect Andrew Tate to be around for a very long time. So it takes a lot more than simply copying Andrew Tate's ideas or his thoughts or the way he says things to become filthy rich. Andrew Tate has put in a ton of work and is continuing to put in work as we speak. So if you want to make money like Andrew Tate, if you want to become a millionaire, you got to put in that work. You can't simply copy his words and start talking BS to your wife. You literally have to put in as much work as you possibly can. So if you want Andrew Tate money, you got to put in that Andrew Tate work. Don't simply call yourself a top G. Put in the work and become the top G. He's loved by many, hated by some, but when it comes down, you have to respect the amount of work that this man has put in so far to get to where he is right now. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts on Andrew Tate? And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.